Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. Tina and plastic bottle. Tina loved visiting the beach every weekend. She built sand castles and collecting shells. One day, she finished her juice and tossed the plastic bottle into the sand without thinking. The next morning, she came back and saw a turtle trapped in the same bottle. Its tiny flippers were stuck and it couldn't move. Tina quickly called her dad and they freed the turtle. She felt sad and said, "My one bottle almost hurt this poor turtle." She told her friends what happened, and together they cleaned up the whole beach. They even put signs that said, "Keep our beach clean." Every weekend, more people joined them. Moral of the story: one small action can save money